Okay, go.
We love you. I hope you have fun at New Zealand. I'm looking forward to go to Lapland, and I'm looking forward to go to New Zealand next Christmas. We love you. I love you. I hope you have a good bonfire night. I hope you like the fireworks.
Bye.